Hey guys, here's another easy CVS deal. These Ludens cough drops are priced at $2.69. They're on a promotion for buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy two, you get a $3 extra buck. So you're going to pick up two. One is going to be full price at $2.69. The other one is going to be 50% off at $1.34. So your total is going to come to $4.03. You're going to pay that, but then you're going to get a $3 extra buck back, making the final price for both $1.03 or just 51 cents each. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more.